Berthold Kerl, CEO of KuppingerCole's Analysts. The conference is there to discuss nothing less than our digital future life, which clearly needs to be secured. So we will basically cover three time dimensions. Number one, the far future. So we will work with international experts from around the globe on future scenarios and what follows for cybersecurity. Second, we will talk with innovative vendors, what they have in the pipeline and how their developments will help us to secure the digital life. And finally, we will have lots of practitioners from leading companies who will share what they currently have implemented, how it works. And all of this in the middle of Europe, here in Frankfurt. No, of course, that was not a spelling mistake. Cyberevolution is obviously a composition of three topics. Cyber stands for our digital life, which clearly needs to be secured. You can then read it evolution, which means to evolve on existing established technologies, measures, methodologies to secure the digital life. But you can also read it as revolution, which talks about the more disruptive technologies and methodologies such as AI, quantum, metaverse, etc. Now, the key topics, first of all, it will be very interactive. So for example, we will have workshops where people can hands-on experience how to leverage artificial intelligence with concrete cybersecurity use cases for their day-to-day work. Other examples include Thomas Jersich, CISO of Deutsche Telekom, who will talk about AI will not do the CISO job. Or we will have Carsten Maywert, head of cybercrime from the German Bundeskriminalamt, BKA, who will talk about the cooperation with authorities. Or we will have Stefan Württemberger, CIO from Marabo Inc., who will share with us how Marabo Inc. already uses today the metaverse and what kind of consequences follow from a security perspective. Yeah, networking is everything. Cyberevolution will explicitly support the networking. It will support the networking between people from different countries. So we will certainly have international experts there. You will see representatives from different industries. You will see people coming from startups, but also large companies. We expect same thing on the vendor side, startups and established security providers. And you will see all levels from the student in a university up to the CISO of a multinational company. And of course, lots of opportunities to discuss topics, things in that conference with all these people. Yeah, I already mentioned workshops, so we will have a number of workshops with really hands-on experience. We will have a capture the flag competition where representatives from a number of companies compete with teams from universities. I think that's going to be a really fun exercise. We will organize a pitch night where both vendors but also practitioners can introduce their products, services, but also their projects to a broader audience. And obviously we will have some prizes to win in that context as well. And we will have evening events with lots of food and drinks and opportunities to discuss and exchange. And finally, we will also have demo areas where people can see innovative solutions in live environment.